Women are always saying, we can do anything that men can do. But men should be saying, we can do anything that women can do. When I'm tired, I rest. I say, I can't be a superwoman today. Hear me as a woman, have me as your sister, on purpled battlefield breaking day. So I might say our victory is just beginning. See me as change. Say I am movement. That I am the year, and I am the era, of the women. It took me quite a long time to develop a voice, and now that I have it, I'm not going to be silent. I raise up my voice, not so that I can shout, but so that those without a voice can be heard. We cannot all succeed when half of us are held back. Feminism isn't about making women stronger. Women are already strong, it's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. There is no limit to what we, as women, can accomplish. I am a woman and a warrior. If you think I can't be both, you've been lied to. I have chosen to no longer be apologetic for my femaleness and my femininity. And I want to be respected in all of my femaleness because I deserve to be. I myself have never been able to find out precisely what feminism is. I only know that people call me a feminist whenever I express sentiments that differentiate me from a doormat. I'm always perpetually out of my comfort zone. Whatever the problem, be part of the solution. Don't just sit around, raising questions and pointing out obstacles. A woman without a man is like a fish without a bicycle. I am always busy, which is perhaps the chief reason why I am always well. Men often ask me, why are your female characters so paranoid? It's not paranoia. It's recognition of their situation. I believe the rights of women and girls is the unfinished business of the 21st century. Women have to harness their power, it's absolutely true. It's just learning not to take the first no. And if you can't go straight ahead, you go around the corner. I learned a long time ago that there is something worse than missing the goal, and that's not pulling the trigger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down. See you in the next video.